Hi, I'm Peter McMillan. I work for NB Southern Railway as a mechanical analyst, and I'm part of the Careers in Motion program.
My name is John Quimby. I work at Universal Truck and Trailer in London, and I'm a summer student for JDI.
My name is Andrew Flynn. I'm hometown start from Scotia.
My name is Sam Kane. I'm the fleet coordinator at Sunbury Transport.
So I'm Amy Price. I'm working at Atlantic Osprey this summer as a naval architect student.
So my name is Blundell. I'm a fleet coordinator at Sunbury, and this is my first year as a Careers in Motion student.
Hi, my name is Saqib Shahzad. I am currently working with MBSR as a junior project coordinator.
Ben Boylan. I'm a student at Dalhousie University in the Commerce Co-op program, and I'm a student at RSD in the Emergency Response Division.
Hi, my name is Edison, and I'm a summer student here at JDI.
I'm Krista Bay, and I'm working at MBSR as a logistics coordinator, and this is my first time with the Careers in Motion program.
My name is Alex Cardoso. I'm a sales analyst at MBSR, and I'm a summer student here.
So my name is Jack Mahoney. I'm working at RST in Sunbury this summer as an asset management engineer. It's my first summer working for JDI.
My name is Marino. I'm a business intelligence student for the transportation division, and I'm a summer student.
The main project that I'm working on this summer is helping to visualize the data of the Emergency Response Division. So that's looking at our inventory, the customers we have, on retainer, building a heat map of all of our incidents across Atlantic Canada, as well as looking at our financials and making them a little bit more easy to read.
So my central project for this summer was essentially creating a dashboard to help visualize the cost of maintenance of our locomotives and our ship cars, just so that it was easier for people to see where we were spending our money, and then help figure out how we can maybe reduce the amount of money that we're spending on maintenance costs.
My main project was working on just a 65-foot workboat that's going to dry dock this fall.
So I've been working on is a process documentation. So everything that leaves the distribution center at the railway, they wanted to do a process flow. So I've been working with a procedure flow and making an outline of how everything is processed.
The projects I've been working on mostly are the financial dashboards, as well as I've been helping out with broker health, and I've also helped build a pricing model over at RST Atlantic. So my biggest project this summer has been a pay package analysis. This is just taking a look at how our owner operators are paid in the Advanced Division, and just seeing if we change the rates, how does that affect things.
The main projects I was working on was optimization in our satellite department. So basically the end goal was to save as much money as we could by removing units that shouldn't be on the billing cycle. So by writing up different computer programs, we were able to save almost $100,000. Major project is sort of working towards dispatching asphalt and drywall. So everything has to do with that, supporting drivers, clientele, and I guess just transporting everything in between transporting from point A to point B.
So basically my projects sort of revolve around NBM Rail Services and how they're interacting with the end customer. So everything from initial client scouting and prospective client mapping, all the way to the end of how we're actually delivering the end quote and what that looks like and how we create the quote, and then everything along that pathway. So trying to reinvent how we interact with our customers essentially.
Harbour Development, one of our other companies, just acquired a tug, and to meet standards, to meet Canadian standards, we had to do a few projects. So one of my main projects was adding a davit and all the design that went along with that to the boat.
So some of the major projects that I've been working on include building a Tiger Progress Tracker, I should say, which is basically one of our capital projects down in Maine. It's tracking the production daily as we get the work reports.
Mostly I learned how to dispatch and fleet manage, and that involves talking to drivers, customers, basically making sure that everything's running smoothly.
I've had a series of projects. The biggest one has been the press department reface, and just working on different little projects around that. I've probably had a total of 30-some different projects and responsibilities over the summer though. So.
I would, if I had the opportunity, I'd definitely come back to JDI.
In a heartbeat, I would definitely come back.
I would for sure. It's a great place to work.
I would be. I'd like to see a different division, maybe, or a different side of RST. But yeah.
Oh, I love the opportunity to come back.
Yeah, definitely. I think this is just the tip of the iceberg for me, and I hope that the skills I've learned here I can keep applying on later on down the road.
Absolutely will.
Oh, definitely. I definitely will.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
The other CIM students have been awesome all summer, even though we don't see each other a ton outside of work events. There's definitely an atmosphere of fun, and we all get along really well, so that's really cool. I think that Irving does a really impressive job of hiring fun and good people.
I enjoy feeling that I'm part of a team, and I feel like I contribute to it. I'm happy to know that I feel needed in the job that I'm given, and if I don't do it, that something bad is going to happen compared to them giving me this task.
I think the culture at JDI is very good. Especially as a student, I felt like I was very involved in a lot of projects and even trusted with things that you wouldn't expect to be trusted with.
I would just say it's a great atmosphere to, I guess, work, and even on my part, learning. Everybody is just super helpful, and they want to see you, I guess, do good, and they want to help you.
It's very fast. It's fast-paced. You gotta be ready to go as soon as you get there, right in the morning. You gotta know what you're talking about and do your due diligence. But the folks there are really great to work with, and just super appreciative of anything that you put into a project. And it's a very rewarding place to work.